We're going to start the coding part of the videos. You should have your backdrop done, your sprite named chatbot set to size 90, and down here in the bottom left-hand corner. And we're going to start with the events blocks. You're going to go ahead and pull out our first event, which is the green flag is clicked block. This is going to trigger all of your code to start when the green flag is clicked. Okay. So next we're going to go ahead and start our code. Okay. And the first piece of code that we're going to use is the say hello from looks. So this one right here, we're going to have our character say hello. And we're just going to change the times in all of these to 3 seconds. It gives us a little more time. Okay. So go ahead and set that. And then we're going to go ahead and use a teal block. We talked about the ask block. What is your name? We're going to leave that one the way it is. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and create some variables. So in the variables, you can go ahead and click on make variable, and you're going to type in 3 of these. You're going to do one called name. Okay, so go ahead and type in name and OK. It'll make one called name. You're going to go ahead and type one in, make variable, do favorite color. And then you're going to do one that says favorite animal. Okay. Make my screen a little bigger for you. So you should now have 3 variables. Notice if I click on them, they show up in the box. Okay, I want them all unclicked though. I don't want any of them showing. So unclick them all. Okay. And now we're going to use one in our code. We're going to use this set block. Okay, and you're going to use set name and go to the teal and drop the answer block inside where that 0 is. So just set it right there. So right now our code should read that we're saying hello. And then we are going to ask, what's your name? Our chatbot's going to ask, what's our name? And then set name to answer, which will record what you write as your name. So now we're going to go ahead and code how it's going to respond to all of that. We're going to go to the purple. And we're going to go to the say again. Bring that in. Okay. And we need the blue operator, or green operator, sorry. We're going to come down to this one that says join. It should say join apple and banana. You're going to drop that off in the first box. And you're going to type in where apple is, hi, and then a space. Okay. And then I'm going to grab another of that same block and drop it in where the word banana is. Drop the second join. So it should say join hi. And remember, we put a space after the word hi. And then it should say join. We're going to go grab our variable name again. Name. Drop that where apple is this time. And then where the word banana is, we're going to put a exclamation point. And again, we said we're going to set it to 3 seconds. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see what happens. Start it. Hello. What is your name? Go ahead and type your name in. And he should say hi and your name. Okay. That is task 1. I'm going to stop the video here so that we can move to task 2 next.